Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sandy Springs, Georgia, United States. The TV series was filmed on location at Glenridge Hall for Season 1 and a complete replica of the mansion was built for Season 2 and on. Despite outcry from preservationists and people in the area of Sandy Springs, demolition begun today at Glenridge Hall.
Take our lead.
The real-life Salvatore mansion is facing imminent demolition, and Vampire Diaries fans are banding together to try and stop it from happening. In real life, Stefan and Damon's home is actually Glenridge Hall in Sandy Springs, Georgia, and it is set to be torn down later this year.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Atlanta, Gaz C. 1929 Glenridge Hall aka Salvatore Boarding House, torn down Sandy Springs, Georgia, United States. Since 2009 Sandy Springs historic Glenridge Hall has played a pivotal role in the supernatural TV series, The Vampire Diaries as the Salvatore Boarding House in fictional Mystic Falls.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The new Salvatore boarding school is the Kent Rock Manor, a large event venue state that includes the pond, the buildings next to the pond, and the baseball field. The mansion is located at 5520 Kent Rock Road in Loganville, 3.5 miles west of Walnut Grove. Thanks a lot, Tommy, for the info.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.